Is your Honda CR-V refusing to start while making a strange beeping sound? Let's troubleshoot this common electrical issue in 2 minutes. Statistics show that 80% of these cases are linked to low battery voltage or poor terminal contact. Before you call a tow truck, let's run through a quick diagnostic sequence to pinpoint the culprit. Start by checking your battery terminals for corrosion, then try placing your key fob directly against the start button to rule out a weak sensor. The beeping is often the car warning you that the system voltage is too low to engage the starter solenoid. If the battery is healthy, consider secondary suspects like a failing starter motor or a malfunctioning immobilizer system. Try cleaning your battery posts or replacing the key fob battery first, as these simple fixes resolve most CR-V startup issues. Replacing a battery is significantly more affordable than dealing with a failed alternator or a specialized starter motor repair. If it still won't start, use an OBD-I scanner to check for stored codes that could point toward an immobilizer or sensor issue. Keep a basic toolkit with a 10mm wrench and a multimeter handy to perform these checks safely at home. Remember, never force a start if you hear grinding noises, as this can cause permanent damage to your engine's flywheel. Most CR-V beeping issues are simple power problems. Check your battery first and subscribe for more maintenance tips.